Hello, hey! I wanted to come out here. I wanted to go camping, and so I was getting ready to set up my tent. I have a tent here in the background, but as I was working around the house, I found something, and I've got it in this little box right here. I found something that you might find interesting. Oh, it's falling. Okay, so, but first, I have my tent, and I wanted to have you join me setting the tent up. So if you'll join me, then we'll get the tent set up, and then I'll tell you what's in the box. All right, let's go. All right, we're back, and we've got our tent set up here, and thanks for joining me on that. And now I have a box. Now inside this box, I know you've been thinking about it. Inside this box, it's not as big as my tent, my shelter that I would stay in. But there's something around my house that I saw that is a shelter for an animal. Okay, God says that He will be our shelter in time of storm and in time of need, and that He is our house, our safe place. And I saw this item in a safe place. It was hiding up under the side of my house, and as I take it out of the box here, I want you to call out what you think it might be on the count of three. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. Let's see if you're right on what it might be. Oh, can you see that? It's a bird's nest. Now, this particular bird's nest actually belongs to a robin. And so they built it right up under the eaves of my house in one of the safest spots in the area, in my yard here. And I sat and I watched Mama Robin build this nest. And it took a lot longer than it took me to set up my tent, but she built it and she made it the safest spot possible for her baby robins, because she loves them and she cares for them and the eggs that she laid. And just like Mama Robin cares for her babies, God cares for us, and He gives us a safe place to go to when we need Him. We can read in the Bible that God looks after the sparrows, and He knows when each one falls, and He knows what they need. And if God looks after the sparrows and the robins and knows what they need, then how much more will He look after us and know what we need and how to keep us safe? So as you explore in your yard, I hear Mama Robin calling right now. I hope she's not going to come look for the house again. But as you explore in your yard, be on the lookout for things that God has given us and given the animals as safe places. So I hope you have a good Sabbath and a good afternoon. Talk to you later. Bye.